My name is Natalie Domingue and I'm 23 years old. I'm originally from Seychelles and I just moved to Hungary last year in September. And I come from a family who's very sporty, and I've been playing volleyball for the last let's say 15 years. And I came to Hungary because my partner is Hungarian, and we decided to move to Hungary last year. And so I came here, and I've always wanted to be a model because it's been a dream and a passion of mine which I want to pursue further. And the elite model look is the perfect opportunity for this, because I think the girls get maximum exposure to the fashion world, and therefore they stand a chance to make it in this industry.